What's good, you guys? Just got the car back from the dealership. Just got the car back from the body shop. I'm gonna show you guys how it was before. It was about 2 weeks since I wasn't able to drive my car because someone sideswiped me. But we got that taken care of, got the information. No problems, rest assured. Now I do have a part coming in that I'll be installing soon for you guys. It's a spoiler mod, but I'm not gonna tell you guys which one it is just yet. If you guys can guess what it is, let me know down in the comments before I post the video. It's been like 2 weeks since I've driven this car, man. It feels good. Now I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for this, but just want to let you guys know that I'm not a big fan of swimming or just stepping on the car every 5 seconds. So if you're into that, I'm sorry, I apologize, but there's not gonna be that much of that in this video. But what we will do is do a couple pulls here and there. Now I know many of you are asking yourself if the Dodge Charger Scatpack or just the Scatpack itself is worth buying. As far as I'm concerned, I have no issues with the car. Things have been amazing. I've taken it to Arizona, Las Vegas, can't complain. Gas mileage is a little low because you be on SRT mode and that really kills your gas mileage, but unless you keep it on eco mode, you're not going to have that much of an issue. But I know a lot of you would like to go fast and step on it every time, so that's why you guys' miles per gallon is really low. Now I do have plans for this car, but I'm debating whether I should either bag it or supercharge it. I don't know, what do you guys think? The only problem with making the car faster is you gotta spend so much money, which I don't really have right now. Anyways, yeah, supercharging, you gotta forge the internals, you gotta do all this shit, spend more than like 10K to make the Scatpack at least as fast as a Hellcat. I also want to change people's perspectives on Scatpacks too. So many hate on them, I don't know why. Well, I do know why, but I don't get why they have to hate on all the Scatpack owners. It's not the car, it's the owner. anyone's able to give me some advice on how to vlog or how to do some car content, let me know. I've never done this camera thing, so brand new to me. Still getting used to it. I already checked the damages on the car before I left the body shop, but we're gonna park somewhere and inspect it further. So I took a look at it before I left, but I'm gonna check again just to be sure everything's 100%. They said I could hit them up if I found something wrong, but everything looks nice and aligned. Can't wash my car for 30 days or wax it because it's freshly painted. Remarkable. So one of the damages, I think, was right here. Oh my god. There was a little piece of metal sticking out. Tire marks right there. Tire marks right here, I think, as well. And a little scratch on the tire, but I think they got rid of that. Luckily, they didn't fuck up my rim. Then I would have been upset. Other than that, looks clean. If you guys ever need any body work done, hit up Tag Collisions in San Marcos. I don't know, I think they did a spectacular job. I don't know, what do you guys think? Think about some wheels. Let me know what kind of wheels are good for the Scat Pack. I'm thinking about the Demon replicas. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll be posting more content from now on, now that I finally have my car back. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, let me know. Please subscribe. Let me know what you think about the car. Still got more plans coming up, big plans. So wait on it. Other than that, hope you guys have a good day. Peace.